When is Armed Forces Flag Day celebrated? Answer is option A, 7 December. Who became the first professional golfer in the world to get Dubai Golden Visa? Answer is option D, Ziv Milkha Singh. What are the species which are found in abundance in Sankramika ecotone called? Answer is option B, age species. What is DNA a polymer of? Answer is option D, nucleotide. Who is the author of the book My Serious Heart? Answer is option A, Arundhati Roy. In which session of the Indian National Congress the resolution of the National Economic Program was passed? Answer is option B, Karachi session. What is CTRL plus S or Control plus S used for? Answer is option C, to save a document or file. Where was the 10th Guru of Sikhism, Guru Gobind Singh, born? Answer is option A, Bihar. Which is the largest wetland system in the world? Answer is option D, Pantanal. Who among the following cannot vote in the election of the Vice President? Answer is option D, elected members of the State Legislative Assembly. To which state was Khan Bahadur Khan associated during the revolt of 1857? Answer is option B, Bareilly. Which Sanskrit poet credited the Gupta rulers with having conquered 21 kingdoms both in India and outside? Answer is option D, Kalidas. When was the first Aadhaar card issued? Answer is option C, 2010. Magnetic, electrostatic and gravitational forces fall under which category? Answer is option B, non-contact force. Which tissue transports food to different parts of a plant? Answer is option B, phloem. Which of the following is an archipelagic country? Answer is option A, Indonesia. Which is a dance form that represents a unique synthesis of Hindu and Muslim art forms? Answer is option D, Kathak. Who is the author of the book My Life, My Mission? Answer is option B, Swami Ramdev. Which forest is also known as equatorial rainforest? Answer is option C, tropical rainforest. Who was elected as the President of the Assembly of the Asian Association of Supreme Audit Institutions for a period of 3 years from 2024 to 2027? Answer is option B, Girish Chandra Murmu. Where is the Calico Museum of Textiles located? Answer is option A, Gujarat. When is World Red Cross Day celebrated? Answer is option A, 8 May. What is the southern region of Pakistan known as? Answer is option D, Makran. Which element has the lowest melting and boiling point? Answer is option C, helium. Who was the chairman of the 7th Pay Commission of India? Answer is option A, Ashok Kumar Mathur. What type of reaction is used in photography? Answer is option D, decomposition. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the pardoning powers of the President? Answer is option B, Article 72. What is the mass number of the hydrogen isotope tritium? Answer is option A 3. Who wrote the famous book A House for Mr. Biswas? Answer is option C V.S. Naipaul. Which is the biggest Gurudwara in India? Answer is option B Sri Harmandir Sahib. Which of the following countries is bounded by the Arabian Sea in the north? Answer is option A Pakistan and Iran. On which date National Energy Conservation Day is observed? Answer is option C 14 December. Friends, if you like the video, if all the content is good, the quality of the video is also good, so you will not forget to subscribe, like and share our video. When was the French East India Company formed? Answer is option D 1664. Which ruler gave land to the founder of Amritsar? Answer is option D Akbar. Which state has become the first state to recognize community forest resource rights in urban areas? Answer is option A Chhattisgarh. Which mountain range is called the Great Escarpment of India? Answer is option B Western Ghats. Biocinosis is caused by the toxin of which of the following? Answer is option C cotton dust. Which of the following cup by trophy is related to the game of cricket? Answer is option D the Leap Trophy. Who invented rabies immunization? Answer is option C Louis Pasteur. Who is the first Indian to win the Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Answer is option B Devika Rani. Under whom does the Technology Development Board work? Answer is option B Ministry of Science and Technology. Who was the author of the famous pamphlet Why I Am an Atheist? Answer is option A Bhagat Singh. Chakri dance is associated with which of the following states? Answer is option C Rajasthan. What is the name of ISRO's mission to study the sun? Answer is option D Aditya AL1. Who among the following was not a member of the drafting committee? Answer is option C Jawaharlal Nehru. In which state is the Salem steel plant located? Answer is option A Tamil Nadu. In which country are the Cantabrian Mountains? Answer is option D Spain. Who is the author of the book Life Divine? Answer is option C Sri Aurobindo. Ghagra and Son are the tributaries of which river? Answer is option B the river Ganges. Puducherry was included in the Indian Union by which of the following constitutional amendment? Answer is option A 14th.